What is up, guys? Planet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Google Forms in an email. So let's get started. So first, head over to Google Drive, and from here on the left side, you can see the option of New. Click on that, and after clicking on New, you will see the option of Google Forms. Click on this, and from here, you can create your own new Google Form, or you can edit your recent Google Forms that you have created. We will create a new Google form. So first give the title to your form. After giving the title, you can enter the description if you want. And after that, you can enter the questions that you want. And when you are done, on the right side, you can see this share icon. Click on this, and after clicking on the share icon from here, you need to give access to anyone with the link in the editor and in the responsive view so that everyone who receives this form will be able to complete and fill this form. From here at the top, you have the option to enter the email of the responder, and after that, when you are done, you can just simply click on share, and then the Google form will be shared to that email ID. But if you want to share it through a link, you can see the copy responder link option. Click on this, and then this says that the form is unpublished. So you first need to publish this form, and after publishing this form, you can copy the link and then send it to your group or to your members. Now I'll show you where I have received the form. So as you can see, I have received this test form that has that I have sent it from another email, but you first need to confirm that you have published the form, otherwise it will not be able to accessed by anyone else other than you. So this is how you can embed Google Forms in an email. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.